Okay, so before we can start, if you're watching us on TikTok, make sure you like this video, tap on your screen. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you like this video. You like this video, guys. This gives me energy to do this more often. Um, if you have seen, especially on YouTube, I stopped making strategy videos because I know that people are benefiting a lot from my strategies, but you really see someone liking the video, you just benefit and then move on to the next video. So that's the reason why I've stopped making strategy videos. I would rather just use those strategies to create my indicators, trading robots, and I sell them and make a lot of money. So these are some of the things that disappoint content creators if you don't like these videos, because at the end of the day, when I'm done posting the videos, I'll be checking how the video is performing. So make sure you like this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share and also comment where you're watching us from and what you think about the strategies that the assets or the content that we are presenting. So today we're looking at crash 1000. So I'm gonna take this time to give you guys an opportunity. So what I'm thinking here, because of this zone that we have here, it's a resistance. Let me just try to do this. So I'm anticipating price to drop. Price to drop at this particular zone here. Then it will come back to this demand zone, and from there, price is supposed to drop, and we are going to buy here. Why are we buying? If you look at the bigger picture here on the H4, you can see the overall trend is bullish. We are moving up, and what price is done here is this: it has come to this level here, which was previously a resistance, a flip zone, and it hit this flip zone, and now price is now moving upwards. So we want to join into this trade, but we're not going to buy immediately. We want to wait for price to spike a little bit. When it spikes, it gives us an opportunity to buy, and this demand zone that we have here is going to be a perfect opportunity for us to buy. So in this market, since price is moving up, I think the ideal trade is for you to wait for a buy at this zone, and then you can move up with the market. So this is going to be a very good trade, and our target is the next flip zone, which is this particular zone here, the next resistance. So that's our next target here. So that's the zone. So let's wait and see what is going to take place here. So tell me, guys, let's discuss. What do you think about these strategies? What did you think about these strategies? Yesterday, Chelsea was able to win. I'm happy we are back to our winning ways. And unfortunately, Man City lost. Liverpool is struggling. I don't see Liverpool um, winning anything significant this season. Probably Liverpool will not be in the top four. If they can fight for a top four finish, I think that will be good. But they are struggling a lot. I don't know. What are the problems? What do you think is the reason why Liverpool is struggling? Okay, enough with football. Back to business. I wanted to show you guys Boom 1000, guys. This is amazing. And how we can um, take advantage of what is taking place in boom 1000. Okay, this was the signal. Those who still remember, we are on 30-minute time frame, and like what we anticipated, our TP was able to hit. But I'm happy with what is taking place here. Price broke the resistance, came back, used this as a support, and then price is about to move upwards. So how are we going to join into this buy? So where do we have our next level? Where do we have our next level? I'm gonna go on I think boom is about to buy a strong buy. You see all these red candles, it's gonna buy for quite a long time. It's gonna buy for a long time. Where is our next level here? Also here we have a level. Okay, boom is going to buy, guys, for a very long time. I think for the previous 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it has been buying, and here I think it's gonna reach here. I'm just gonna put my TP probably here, but I don't think it will even buy because above it we also have a what, an imbalance. So that's my target. So how are we going to join into this particular trade? I'm gonna go on H1. The target is too very far. It's too very far. We have levels here that are close by. We have one. This one is strong. We have this level here, and we also have which level? I think for now that's the level that we're looking at. Okay, that's the target. We can use that as our target. So if we are going to join into this trade, this is what we need to do. I think crash has started to spike. We have our first spike in crash 500. So we are currently selling crash 500 now. I'll go back to that analysis. We will sell first, then buy. The buy is the one that is going to be strong. So when price is moving up, especially in booming crash, you need to wait for maybe probably a spike or an indication. It will make these small spikes, then eventually the big spikes will kick in, just like yesterday. Okay, but we want to look at boom 1000 and how we can join into this trade. So what I've seen is this: we have these zones where we are likely going to get price is going to use to push upwards here. We have one and we have two. These are the levels. So the first one is this one. We want to buy at these particular zones here and try to join into this trade. And our target is going to be this one. Which level do you think is strong? And I'm thinking that this one, let me go on 5 minute time frame. So those are the levels that we will start buying. So I'm looking at these levels here. Which one is major? I think this one is the major level here. So I'm looking forward to see price dropping, coming to this level, and then pushes upwards. But we should not rule out the possibility of price coming to this level and then it pushes up here. So all these are possibilities. We'll see. Okay, using our Fibonacci, let's see where exactly price is going to retrace and reach. So again, in booming crash, if you're going to be using your Fibonacci, the 50 and the 61.8, it will help big time. It will definitely help. Okay, we can see that around this zone where we have this small consolidation that took place, price is also going to it's likely going to use this zone. So around this area here, let me just mark it here. Tanaka, are you there today? Are you watching the video? Your phone doesn't have power. So let's see around this zone here, we're going to get some buys. So I'll start buying around 50 and around 61.8. So I can you can place some buy limits around these zones. Okay, back to crash 500. So that's the analysis in boom 1000, back to crash. So what you have seen, if you are even it's your first time watching these videos, if this is your first time watching these videos, it will be very easy for you to understand what I'm talking about. This is my trademark. This is how uh, the way I like trading. This is how I like trading. This is my trading approach. I like simplifying things, and I'm proving here that these things works. They work. These things they work. The simple analysis that we have, they definitely work. So we're going to be placing some buy limits around from 32.50 up to 32.35. We're gonna place some buy limits here because this is where we want to buy. But we're currently selling here. One price to drop from this level and then it reaches this level. So that's what we're currently doing. So the sell will be nice because spikes they move fast. The buy, it takes a lot of time. So you can take advantage of this sell. We'll sell first, then we'll buy. I think for the day this will be enough. So you're also free to join our VIP group where we send such analysis, such signals every day. We look at Deriv synthetic indices, volatility, booming crash, jump, step, then we also look at we have two separate groups. We have one that is tailor-made for booming crash. Then we also have another group that is dedicated for forex, gold, and we also include booming crash and volatility indices. So it trades basically all assets, BTC. We have two types of VIP groups, one for booming crash, one for all financial assets, where we'll look at Forex, we'll look at NAS 100, we'll look at gold, we'll look at different assets. So you are also free to join our VIP groups. We also have our free groups where we probably send one signal a day and there'll be a lot of updates if you're going to be running promotions like the promotion that we're currently having. So, guys, for those who do not know, DC, yeah, DC, that's my name. We have our website, which is www.dcfxtrading.com. That's our website. I'm gonna put the link for those who are watching us on YouTube. We have a link that is there on YouTube. But those who are watching us on TikTok, I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. Let me take you to our website. So, like what I said, our website is www.dcfxtrading.com. That's our website, guys. Visit this website. We're currently having a Black Friday promotion. We have a Black Friday promotion. So this is our website, DC Trading. So the Black Friday is up to 50%. I'm not saying it's 50% for all assets. Hey, people get confused now. I don't know. Yeah, English is not our first language. Maybe that's the reason. People get easily confused. We are having a promotion, a Black Friday promotion, and it's ending on the 26th. So we're now left with only 3 days. After the promotion this year, we're not going to have any promotion. The next promotion will be next year in during Easter. So take advantage of this massive promotion. So what do we have on our website? We have indicators. We have indicators for booming crash, for gold, all financial assets. We have different indicators. So for booming crash, we have the Kerdoskopos. This is our best-selling indicator, the Kerdoskopos. People are buying these indicators. Why? Because it's one of a unique indicator. It gives entry and exit signals. This is one of our best entries. It's just so we have one that is for crash indices, and we have one that is for boom indices. So with this indicator, guys, it's currently on what? On sale. It's currently on sale. Take advantage, guys, of this massive indicator. So it gives buy and sell entries. Buy and sell entries. Let me do this. I want you guys to see. So it's basically so in crash we'll be buying, in boom we'll be selling. So go through and know about. So then we have Our latest product, our latest um, indicator is the Kronos. The Kronos is an indicator that works on multiple time frame. So with the Kerdoskopos, it works from uh, 1 minute to 1 hour. Then the Kronos is for all financial assets, gold, Forex, Deriv synthetic indices. It works in all time frame. That's the Kronos, guys. The Kronos. That's the latest um, indicator. Then we have the Kalyteros. This one, yes, especially here on TikTok, the video did very well. So we now have an indicator for that. And we also have trading robots for the crash Kerdoskopos for scalping and the boom Kerdoskopos for scalping. These trading robots are now there that can scalp for you. You don't need to do anything. You make money while it's just sleeping. Then we also have the alpha. The alpha so far, when it comes to Forex gold, this is the king. This is the king. This one, I'm telling you, it is doing very, very well in terms of. So we also have a trading robot for the alpha indicator for volatility indices and for gold and forex indicator, forex pairs. Then we have the dynamic scalping. We also have the spike detectors for booming crash. So it is approximately 5 years we've been developing our spike detectors, and it is one of the best spike detectors that you can have when it comes to booming crash indices. It's one of the best. Then what do we also have? We also have the ultimate system, trading system. This one can buy and sell. So with the Kronos, the first one that I was talking about, it can also give buy and sell signals for those who want to trade booming crash where you'll be buying and selling. It's also there. Then we also have the ultimate system. The ultimate system also does the same thing. It can buy and it can also sell. So I think those are one of our best. Then we also have the Panther. The Panther, guys, is very powerful. It's also for forex and for gold. We have different indicators. Guys, let's go on to the trading robots that we have. So with the trading robots, we have different trading robots, guys. Like what I said with the Kerdoskopos, the scalping indicators for booming crash. Then we have we had another small spike in crash. We're still holding. We also have the spike detector. So we have now spike detectors to catch spikes as trading robots. As trading robots, we have scalping trading robots, which is the Kerdoskopos. Then we have the sniper spike detector, which is for booming crash. So if you want to catch spikes, this is the EA that we have. Okay, guys, we also have trading strategies. We have trading strategies on our website. So visit this website, guys. You'll see a lot of things that can help you to become profitable and you stop losing money each and every time you're depositing. Try to use these indicators to help you, and also these trading strategies to help you what make money in trading. Okay, back to our thing. So we're still waiting for more spikes to okay in crash. This is a very good sign because you see when prices was moving up, when price was moving up, we didn't have any spike here. But now when price reach this resistance, this zone, we're now starting to see some bearish candles, some spikes here, and we're anticipating that more spikes are going to okay. Hey, sorry guys. More spikes are going to okay, and price should reach this particular level here. So for today, I think we'll only look at two. I don't want to look at a lot of indicate strategies. Okay, let me go through the messages that we are receiving on TikTok. Guys, let's like this video. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. If you're watching us on TikTok, follow us. If you're watching on TikTok, we give this analysis. So it's a weekend. We normally focus on the Deriv synthetic indices, but we're gonna go back and look at BTC, Bitcoin. We also look at Bitcoin today. We're also going to look at Bitcoin and probably volatility indices, and we see how the Kronos is doing in volatility indices. Okay, let me go through the messages that we're having here. Okay, someone is saying it's tar treats. He's saying I need one-on-one lesson. I think my head is tough. You're also free to join our mentorship classes with mentorship lessons. You are also free to join our mentorship class. So get in touch with me. My phone number is +27, and we had another spike. price is now moving down, guys. For those, so let me hide this. Let me do this. So we're currently selling so that you don't have confusion. So treat term, please get in touch with me so that we can have lessons. We have lessons. So our mentorship classes focuses mainly on price action, demand and supply, trading psychology, and risk management. I think we have five pillars for our mentorship classes. We have what? Price action. What else do we have? We have demand and supply, trading psychology, risk management. I'm forgetting the fifth one. So basically, that's our mentorship classes, guys. So we are. This one is here. That's our stop loss. Okay, I didn't give the stop loss. So our stop loss is for this sell, it's on 3,300. That's our stop loss. Our target profit is going to be 32.40, but we said 32.50 in our VIP group. So basically, that's how we're trading this asset. Let's see what is going to take place here. I think we are now good to go. Price is going to spike massively from this level here. So what I've seen when it comes to trading, um, there must be a fire that burns within your heart, your inner being, to know to know trading. You must have passion. If you come into trading and you want to, you see spikes, more spikes are to carry. We're having more spikes. We're having more spikes. This is good. This is massive. This is right. This is good. This is what we want to see. So you'll be adding more positions and holding on to the trade that you have. Add more positions. Let's add more positions and hold on to this particular level. So what I'm thinking here, price will drop and reach. So I don't know if price is going to make a retest, but our first tip is gonna be 32.60, 32.70. At 32.70, where exactly? That's where we're going to take our first take profit, 32.70. 32.70, 32.70. Yeah, dropped down. This is our first TP, guys. So in our first TP, close some position, wait for price to retrace. Then we're going to make use of our spike detectors as price drops down further to 32.50. So that's the plan here that we're having. Okay, let me read the messages. Those who are watching us on TikTok, you are also free to join to send us gifts. If you're also watching on TikTok, yeah, you look smart, my boy. Huh? You look smart. But I'm busy doing something. You end up disturbing me. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Don't touch my phone. Huh? I'm streaming on TikTok, so don't touch my phone. Is it fine? You look smart. Nice shoes, nice shorts, and the t-shirt looks nice. Go and show mama. Go and show mama. Go and show mama. Go and show mama. We ended around here. So the black line is representing our TP. One. Uh-uh. Why are you guys coming this side? You want to disturb me, I know. Yes. You want banana? Honey, please give equal banana. Yeah, what? Let me see. Wow, this is nice. You look, you look what? Nice. Wow. Hmm? Let me read the message. So I'll start with TikTok. B1, yes, boom 1000 is going down. Yes, like what I said, uh, add more position. You see the spikes are coming now. When I started trading boom and crash, I most people were trading the small candles, these ones, the buy in crash and sell in boom. But I discovered that when it comes to spikes, the money comes very fast. Comes very fast. So I started making strategies to catch these spikes. I think for all that have been following me, you know the 106 guys. I've never seen anyone in this world using the 106 strategy. It's a unique. How can you catch spikes using the digital values of the CCI and the RSI? Something that is amazing. So I think that was one of my best strategies. Go on YouTube. You search for the 106 strategy. It's one of the best. It's one of the best, guys. We're anticipating for more spikes to okay here. Let me play some music. One more spike. Spike. another spike. We got another spike. I just wanted to add it so that you guys can see it also for them. It's plus 500. And now I hope you can now see it. So we are up in profit, guys. We are up in profit. So now we are in profit. So when it comes to crash, catching spike, I don't play. I put big low prices. Those are one, and shooting star rejection case or a very spin bar. We now have it. So let's see if price is just continue dropping, or maybe it can pick up price and then make a retest and then it will drop down. What do you think? Do you think price is going to need a big drop, or it's gonna push upwards and then it will start dropping? What do you think? Do you think price is going to need it's gonna continue dropping, or it will make a retest with this particular zone and then drop? There's another pattern that is very common in Ecocash. The double top, double bottom, those chart patterns. I also trade using chart patterns. My trading style is very easy. Even if you're watching the videos of the first time, I'm telling you, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. My trading style supported with this Things are going to win. But what I don't like about it is this: if we are very close to so I don't know, maybe all of us will not say, but I'm telling you what how the tree is. I see AV, thank you so much for sending a gift. Victor, thank you so much for sending a gift. Thank you so much, Victor Villa. New subscribe, go in the description of the live that we're currently having. You have all the links for our WhatsApp, Telegram groups with a lot of with former Victor. I'm answering Victor. So we're currently looking at strike 500. It's the asset that we can find on the Thank you so much, guys. Those who are liking this. Thank you for taking on the scene and for sending it. A lot of you guys are doing
guys, let's share this live. Let's share this live so that more people can join us, and also like. Thank you so much for those who are sending gifts. Noah, thank you so much for sending gifts. Let's like this live. Let's tap on the screen if you're watching us on TikTok, and let's share the live. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, someone requested that they want to see what is taking place in crash 1000. So what I can say is this. Price is bearish, it's moving down. It has broken this support. So what are we anticipating here? Okay. We had a flag pattern here, and price broke from the support here, this lower trend line here, and we're anticipating price to move further down. So if you're someone who enjoys trading spikes, I think crash 1000 is offering a good opportunity to trade spikes. Once this support that we have here is taken out, price will drop rapidly here. So let's just wait for price to break this level. Once this level is broken, more spikes will occur. Thank you so much, Rebet, for sending gifts. So crash 1000, let's just wait. Price is to break this level, and then we'll have more spikes. Or what you can do is this: after breaking this level, wait for price to come back and make a retest, and then you can sell. So this was a request. Someone requested on TikTok that rebirth. There's a spike on crash 500. Yes, there was a spike on crash 500. We are trying to catch these spikes, but I think once there's a sort of like a resistance that we're having here, sort of like a support. Sorry. Once this support is broken, this red line here, once this low is broken, more spikes are going to occur here. So we're still waiting for more spikes to occur. Then we had another spike. Okay, that's good. Crash 500 is now dropping. We're just waiting for price to drop. Is it because of my network? What's happening here? Okay, we had a spike in crash 500. And now we also have another one here. We're just waiting for price to break this level. Then we'll be fine. Asine zuro mvura inazombonya sonani. Yakati dzinga kumafaro ichida kunakira. Funa kugadzira mawaipa emotokari yangu. Asi kunyazoita zvakanaka. So with boom 1000, let's look at boom 1000. We are on Zandiland, man. Wait for paper spray. Dabula. But I feel the arms ground. I don't know what akavengere maforeigners anenge ari mukadzi wako akanaka angori kunze mbofunga ari mukadzi wako haunopinda bhisi unorira you have so many lines, it's confusing now. So we are anticipating price to reverse. We want to join into this bullish trend that we are having here in boom 1000. So we're anticipating that price can drop and come here and then it will start moving up. So we're gonna place our buy around this area here. This is a very long buy here. So I think for today, if we can target 16,400, I think it will be fine. We have a risk to reward ratio of 1:8. I think it's gonna move up. It will move up, further up. So that's one other signal that we are looking at. Back to crash 500. So if you have an asset that you want us to look at, please let us know in the comment section. You can comment on then we'll also analyze it. Thank you so much, Victoria Vera, for sending roses. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you. Victoria is on fire, yo. He's sending me so many roses. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate. Maybe at the end of the live, I'll go and buy my 2 sons something. Turn off fishing. Go and give your mother. Go and give mama. Chiramba shit. Chikazonzwisisa kuti vanhu vasida kundipa panapa. Mude muriro chitombomude muriro utombondipa ndimborova zvangu. Ndakarwadziwa nerimwe rera rakangotambiswa navanhu. Mude muriro utombondipa tomborova. And bring this one sheet. So, Lux, the former Jula president, was saying that you must learn to behave when we have visitors. That's true. But now he used to be. He's now losing. You know, I don't know how he strategizes his thing. He's now losing support from most of South Africans. And they must learn to behave when they are visitors. No, he thought that he was going to get leverage. Should we say leverage? Because there were people, the whole world was focusing on what? On the G20.
Yeah.
So if he was going to demonstrate, it was going to get traction, yeah, attention. So that's what he wanted. But it ended up in tears.
You can't do that. This is not a South African thing, or that's why even
we're fighting. You wanted to embarrass the country.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Or maybe 31S, which 31S? Nafula, which 31S are you talking about? VIX10. Azolen is talking about VIX10. Let's look at VIX10. So like what we always do, we start from the daily. And what we can see from the daily is this. Price is bearish. Price has been moving down. And there was a moment when price made a correction. So you see, price dropped, created a lower low, created a lower high, and price is dropping. So we're anticipating price to drop further down. Okay? Or at least it must reach this low. Okay, that's the first thing that I can see on the daily. And from the previous 3 days, price has been dropping down. It's bearish. So there's a possibility that today price can continue to drop even further down. I think price is going to continue moving down. So from the H1, the same thing, guys, that we've been talking about. I want to show you guys, if you've been struggling in trading, I want to show you from practical examples one thing that I've mastered. You see here, this area was used as a support, then price bounced back, broke the resistance. It broke the resistance, then it dropped, created a lower low, and then what happened here? Price pushed upwards and created a lower high, but it came back to the same position that was previously used as a what? As a support, then it used this as a resistance. So I'm hoping that price will continue dropping. So we're supposed to get an entry. The perfect entry was going to be at this level here. So the perfect entry was going to be here, where we had price retesting this support and turned into a resistance. And now, how can we trade it? Okay, now we know that this was the perfect entry. So now if you're going to enter this trade currently, what are you going to do? So we're going to drop down to lower time frame. Let me go to the H1 and see what is taking place. On the H1, from the H1, where do I think price is going to reverse?
Go to Sisi will give you. Sisi, leave some for an answer is coming.
We see the same thing taking place here. A previous level that has been used as a support, price came back, broke it, retested, and then it dropped. So I'm looking for an entry here. Where exactly are we going to get a good entry? So it's all about identifying some key zones here.
You said this thing?
Yeah?
This thing?
What?
The one which you were talking about yesterday.
About what? Okay, the perfect time to sell this asset was here. So let's just mark this area here. What is going to happen here? The retest is already okayed. Price is likely going to okay, there are two possibilities here. 30 minutes. Voila, I found where price is likely going to reverse this area. Okay, you see, we have a supply zone here, and it's aligning with the flip zone that we have marked. But I removed it because I don't want it to end up confusing us. So I'm gonna map this supply zone. So we have a supply zone here. Supply zone. What am I doing? Supply zone. What's happening? Because of the fact that we have an imbalance right around here, we have a fair value gap, a small fair value gap here. This one. Price is attracted to that particular area here so that it feels that imbalance before it can drop further. As you know that we are looking for sales, but because of the fact that there's an imbalance that we have right around this particular area here, price is likely going to go to map. Leave my phones, please. No, leave my phone. Go to map. Huh? Tanaka is calling me. Tanaka. Yeah, go Tanaka. Again, here we have a zone, so we can buy then sell. So what we can do is this: we can wait for a strong bullish candle here. You can see by just analyzing the sizes of this candle, the bearish momentum seems to be diminishing, and we now see weak and weak candles. You see the size of how big this candle is in this one, but the previous two candles have been very small. So let's wait. If you're going to have a bullish candle here, if you're going to get a bullish candle here, maybe a bullish pin bar, or yes, a bullish candle. You just want a bullish candle, then we can buy. We're going to go long. Then our target is going to be this level here. Then from then, we are going to sell. So price is likely going to push upwards here, this level, and then it drops further. So that's my take on so my stop loss. I'm just going to place it just below this level here. Okay, let me just remove this fair value gap. I don't want a lot of lines here. So let's wait and see how this 30-minute candle Is it 30-minute candle? Yes. 50-minute candle is going to close. If it closes bullish, it shows some bullish momentum. We can buy and target this level here. Our stop loss is gonna be here. We have a 1s to 2.65 risk to reward ratio. So let's just wait. But what we can also do is this: we can just wait for price to come to this level, then we sell. That's another approach. So if you're going to buy, use very, very low, small lot sizes. Because the best signal is for you to sell. Buying is not the best trade here. So you can buy with small lots, even a tighter stop loss, you'll be fine. Okay, the next asset, VIX10. Yes, what is this? We are looking at volatility 10. Volatility 10. It's volatility 10. So that's my take on volatility 10. How is the weekly time frame looking like? So the problem that we have, I think one disadvantage of using Deriv trade is this: it only ends on the daily time frame. But I'm thinking that this asset VIX10 is going to sell. It's gonna sell more. But currently, price is to push up, correct an imbalance. Then after correcting the imbalance, then price will start moving up. So that's my take on VIX10. What do you think, guys? Let's share. Maybe someone has a better view on this particular asset. A spike on crash 500. Let's see. Would we have a spike on crash 500? So, or I'm reading here. Let's go and see what is taking place in crash 500. Yeah, small spike. We want it to drop further. We want a strong movement. Strong movement. I don't know why it didn't take my pending orders. Guys, tell me something when it comes to these brokers. Tell me something. Deriv in particular, knowing that these guys, they are the only one who are providing these assets. It's not like in Forex where there will be different players, but this one, you're trading against the broker. Do you think these guys, they always play it fair? Most brokers, especially these ones that offer indices, do you think they are fair? If you think they are fair, why? If you don't think they are fair, explain your reasons. Are they? Do you think it makes sense trading these indices? Because the broker is the one providing these indices. So when you trade, when you win, it's not like someone is losing. When you win, you are winning money that is from the broker. And have you ever seen that when you start making consistent profit and you're drawing money, they will start asking questions about your papers. One about they will try to find reasons not for you not to withdraw your money, or for you not, for eventually looking for a reason to ban you from their platforms. Have you ever seen that? They don't want people who make a lot of money from their platforms. They don't want this. And do you think on a Sunday, one of the most dangerous days to trade is on a Sunday, because every Sunday they normally have an update. Whenever they are having an update, they change things. The algorithm is changed. It's a little, and if you try to look at it, if you have been making money the whole week, you will see that mostly in Sundays is, with me, I used to have problems trading on Sundays. I would make huge losses on Sunday because they will update the algorithm. They will be updating the algorithm. So those are some of the things that I've seen when it comes to these brokers in Deriv. Tell me your experience when it comes to Deriv. Deriv as a broker. Let's discuss. Do you think it's a credible, or do you think it's a very good broker? What are the challenges that you've once faced when it comes to these brokers? And do you think they always play it fair, or they are always there to take your money? Okay, more money to be made if they play on the long side. That's why I feel. Okay, so you're saying you can make a lot of money on the long side. What do you mean? More money to be made if they play on the long side. Are you talking about this particular trade in Crash? Yes, we know that Crash is going to eventually buy, but for now, we just want price to drop a little bit, then we can buy at this demand zone. So there's a very interesting discussion. FX Sensei, how do you pronounce that? So he's saying that if there is 40,000 on loans, more people 40,000 billion money that is being on people who are buying, and there's 50,000 on people who are selling. The broker will move it in the in what? In 40,000, where there's 40,000. Is it 40,000, 50,000, or 50,000? Basically, what he's trying to say is this. Let me simplify it. If more people are buying, then the seller, the broker, is gonna make money when it sells, because a lot of people will end up losing their money. But with me, I have a different perspective when it comes to that. I've seen a situation where both buyers and sellers, they lose their money. How is that possible? I'll explain. Okay, there will be a scenario where they manipulate the market. For example, let's take for example here. What they will do is this. You'll see a lot of manipulation. So many people will be waiting for price to break this resistance, and when it breaks, some people will join in, thinking that the price is now ready to move upwards. So we have a lot of people who are now buying, and for those who will be selling, for example, we want to sell here, our stop loss is here. So they will push the price upwards, hit the what? The stop loss for those who are selling. So the sellers, they will lose. And then they will make the price to reverse downwards. So more people who are buying now are also going to lose. Do you see that no one wins here? And the broker is the one who's going to win the money. So those who are selling, their stop loss were hit when the price reaches this particular trade. And those who will be waiting for a breakout here, they will start buying. And when the price is driven down here, their stop loss obviously is going to what? To be hit. And the buyers and the sellers will end up what? Losing. So that's what I think when it comes to Deriv synthetic. So sometimes you actually have to think outside the box. Where do we have more traders? Are we having more traders who are buying, or are we having more traders who are selling? If that is the case, then you look for the least part where there's least resistance, where there are less people. You'll see that you end up making money. But they don't just manipulate the price each and every time. Manipulation is there. Even in Forex, these institutional traders or these large investors or investment firms, they also manipulate the market the same way that Deriv as a broker manipulates the market. So these manipulations, they are there and they are real. Especially on a Sunday, guys. On a Sunday, mark my words. Trading on a Sunday after the algorithm has been updated, I'm telling you, they will see the mistakes. Okay, how? They normally calculate how much they are losing and why they are losing. Then they will try to change the algorithm so that they don't make the same thing. I used to do that. That's how I came up with the 106 booming crash spikes strategy. So basically, it was based on the algorithm, how the algorithm, Deriv algorithm for booming crash works. So they will see this thing. That's why it's very, very difficult to break the 106. It's based on the algorithm, and I've been using it for more than 5 years. When I released the strategy, I knew that most people were going to start using that strategy. Then I shifted. I started to use something different. But if you check even now, changing the whole algorithm, and for them to identify that unique way of catching spikes, it's very difficult. So it's based on the algorithm. Once you click the algorithm, you'll be able to make a lot of money. But that's my take when it comes to Deriv synthetic indices. And some brokers, they normally do this. The buyers and the sellers, they all end up losing. We were looking at VIX10. Okay, we're now going to buy now. Our stop loss is here. Stop loss is fine. And our take profit is going to be here. So we're also buying VIX10. I don't want to confuse this. Let me just point upwards. Man, wanaobuda natandaga. Let's buy, guys. The price is already moving up. I've been watching of recent this movie. It's on Gujarat. It's called Halo. Yo, that movie is nice. I don't know because I'm someone who likes science fiction, but I enjoy that one. So I watched season 1. Currently watching season 2, but I'm enjoying it. Go and watch it. It's on Gujarat. I was watching it on Gujarat. It's called Halo. Halo. It's a nice movie. If you're someone who likes science fiction. So we're buying volatility. Volatility 10. We want to buy it now. Then our SL is going to be what? Yo, this thing is moving fast. Yo. So our TP. Yo. I hope I won't be late to send the signal. Chile is fine.
Okay.
Tanaka tachagadzira bhasikoro mwana aripi Tanaka? Are you with Tanaka? Leanne is asking my weekly analysis when it comes to BTC. Let's also go and look at BTC. Like what I promised, we need to look at BTC. But I already did that. And some people were saying, that's crazy. My analysis was crazy. And I told you that BTC is heading to what? To 70,000. And some people were saying, that's too much crazy. That drop can never happen. But to my surprise, now price is ranging around 80,000. BTC, I think, is going to continue dropping down. But let's just do the analysis together. So I'm anticipating a further drop in BTC. We're looking at BTC. Some people were saying that BTC will never reach 70,000. I talked about 70,000. Let me just mark it because I don't know. Right around this area. So is it going to continue moving down? That's the biggest question. Okay. Let's go to the monthly. If boom 1000 starts to spike, you're going to look for an entry. Boom 1000. Or if you get a reversal signal here, we should also consider an entry in boom 1000 because we know that it's gonna buy. It's gonna buy. Let's see how it will move. Okay. So price, I think, is gonna drop, then eventually it will start moving upwards. That's we're back to BTC. So we had a strong monthly candle here, the month of November, strong bearish candle here. So what do I think about December? December is gonna consolidate, then January it will start moving upwards. So basically what I'm thinking is this: price will consolidate for December, January it will start moving upwards. But eventually for the next year in 2026, I see BTC breaking the high of 125,000. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the monthly. What else is there on the monthly? I think that's all that I can see. Then going back to the weekly, what is there on the weekly? We have a demand zone here. We have a demand zone. And is it going to be strong enough to push price upwards? Yes, I'm also thinking the same thing. So this weekly candle is going to close bearish. And what am I anticipating for the next week? Price is very close to 70,000, and so from 75,000 to 70,000, let's see. 75,000. So we have this flip zone here, and we also have this demand zone. So let's see how price is going to react. So on the weekly, we have this high for this week. The previous high. Someone was talking about CRT, candle range theory. I don't think that one is very, very easy. There's a guy who's talking about 7-1 something. I'm not really following up with that strategy, but it's becoming very popular here in South Africa. A lot of people are talking about that strategy, but I think he borrowed the idea from the candle range theory. But he added up South African time. He added up the use of Q zones, which was amazing. And I think it's working perfectly. Okay, let's do this now. H1. On H1. So if price breaks that resistance on crash 1000, we know that price is going to continue moving up, because we know that crash 500 is going to continue buying. But let's see, it's now on that same area where the spike started to appear. It mustn't break that level. It must drop down. If it doesn't drop down, we know that the buy is now in place. Or maybe it's just a manipulation, that it wants to move up, hit our stop loss, then it drops. So those are some of the possibilities. H4, where is H4? So price was able to reach 80,000. 80,000. And we're now seeing there was a strong drop here. And now we're now seeing some correction taking place here. Let's go on the daily. What is there on the daily end? A strong rejection, a small candle, and the candle closed bullish. This is some form of reversal that is taking place here. But how strong is this reversal? How strong is this reversal? Okay, I need to check what is taking place on the left side here. Okay, I think it makes sense. We have a demand zone here. This bearish candle that is surrounded with these strong bullish candles here. So I'm gonna mark this as my candle here. So let's see how this is reacting with the current price action. So we now have a small spike in crash. We want more spikes. We want more spikes now, bigger, and the spikes should the frequency should be very, very high. Small spikes as price will be dropping. So that's what is taking place here. You see, I talked about the reversal that was occurring here. You see, one of the signs that you see that price is respecting this demand zone is this. Do you see that we had this candle here that I've marked as my demand zone? And it is the candle that resulted in price moving upwards here. So it's a very strong candle. We are likely going to face some bullish momentum here. And now what do we see here? What do we see here? We see price one with a strong rejection by just looking at the lower week here with a strong rejection. So price is still trading within this daily candle daily candle range here. This daily candle is still within. So let's see. But what I can see is some form another like what I was talking about here. Let's just look at what is happening in crash 500 here. I told you guys that we're likely going to have some spikes, and the frequency of these spikes should be very fast. If you see what is taking place with the first spike, the second spike, the frequency is increased. So this is showing us that the level of there's some form of rejection. So what price was doing is this: it is this level, then it came back to make a retest, and now once price breaks this neckline, we know that we are good to go. What we had initially anticipated is now being fulfilled. So that's one thing. So I'm also checking crash 500, going back to BTC. So the one thing that I can see here is this: price is now ready to move up. That's one. But is it going to immediately move up? I don't think so. There's always a retest that normally takes place when price is reversing. So I would anticipate that price will push a little bit up, take the liquidity that is above this candle, and then it will target this candle, then it will drop a little bit up. Then from there, it will start moving upwards like this. So that's what I'm anticipating in BTC. Because of this candlestick formation that we now have here, price is likely going to push upwards. So the question is it going to immediately start going upwards, or price is likely going to push upwards, drop, then it will start moving up? What's your take? Let's discuss, guys. But one thing that I've noticed is that price is now ready to move up. Price will push upwards, then drops, and then it pushes up. But with me, I'm just having that mentality that I need to be buying BTC. I need to be buying BTC. But when are we going to buy BTC? That's the biggest question. What's your take, guys? We've looked at a lot of facets, guys. Someone is requesting that we need to look at volatility 50. Is that crash 1000? What did we say about crash 1000? We're currently looking at crash 500. With crash 1000, we analyze crash 1000. What did we say about crash 1000? Did we talk about crash 1000? Or we said price should, okay, there's this form of support, and we said we're going to wait for price to break the support, then we'll wait for a retest, and then we can sell. I think that's what we said about crash 1000. The Boom 1000 has also started spiking. We want to join into that bullish trend. right around that area here. Let's buy, guys. Let's buy Boom 1000, guys. You can buy Boom 1000. One is to two is fine. So our stop loss is gonna be here. So we are also currently buying Boom 1000, and I'm giving you the values, guys. So our first TP is gonna be this recent high, and we'll target this level here is our second TP. battery shamwari yakumfara. Kuwana mayani. Kuwana mayani. So amro mungani zo. 7G. Saya udah nggak urus apa sih lagi. Aku kan ruwet dan ibu nggak urus jual. Kan nanti rocap. Yo, wakasisa zvako zvekuti ataka ndokudya.
Aiwa, information yakadzata.
Hakuna ataka yakadara. Menu zvaunonyora kuti strategy. Tinenge katonzi strategy plan something. Haisi information.
Flat. Saka attack.
What is it? That's far. Wakupa. Anzi. So 0108.
01.
So what's up? Yeah? Where is Anashan? Anash. Spike! Massive spike. Let's go up. Did you see the spike, guys? Already in profit. Mesa plus 27. Aiwa, ndati kupfudzwa runoita sei? Apa isa 0809.
Who are you talking to? What they are talking to? 70.
And where's Anash? What's happening? What are you? Mani, pare munada uchinjwa pamba. Show massive spike, man. On this spike is. Yo, that spike. Yo. Man. The one is spike, Rabdo crash 500. How does spike is somebody? Crash 500.
What is it?
It's not mad, man. Mani, chinjoka pamba, ada kugara pana baba manje pamba rakarumira musha. Anochita Wait. Why needs a man? I'm a spike man. I have to put him as spike man. Yo, massive spikes, guys. We are in deep profit. Which are done. Man, I'm looking at spending money. Aita chake wombaro. Zara dos 100 profit. Makasukira makagara pasi mafana kuita zvinoposi fana wakagara pasi
Stop playing with us.
Okay, guys. Before we close, I'm now tired, yeah. But I know. Okay, let's just do it. So this one is to come here, then you buy at this demand zone. It's very clear on 30-minute time frame. This is crash 500. So we are currently selling so that we can buy here. The buy is gonna be long. It's gonna be long. It's gonna buy for a very long time. Then we also have our copy trading services. So with our copy trading services, we use a certain software to connect your account to our account. So the trades that we execute in our account will be automatically executed in your account. We call it copy trading. So it's $50 to subscribe for a profit target of 200. So our profit target will be 200. Once we reach 200, then you need to resubscribe. Then we also have the minimum capital that is required. The minimum capital that is required is boom, 1000 is spiking. The minimum capital that is required is 150 for a profit target of 200. Please, you are also free to contact me, and you can get all the details about these amazing services. So we also have what we call copy trading, where we trade on your behalf. We use the software. We connect your account to our own account. We don't use Deriv. It's called what? The one for Deriv. We don't use it. We have our own software that we use to connect your account to our account. It's very cheap, $50. You subscribe for a profit target of $200. Then the minimum capital that is required is 150. So if you're interested in copy trading, get in touch with us. So I think for today, guys, enjoy the profit. I think I'm now tired. I need to do other stuff. I've been here since morning. So I'll see you again tomorrow. The spikes, they can't stop coming. We're just catching spikes. Crash 500 just spiked. So that's how profitable our signals are. So you can join our copy trading services. Be part of the winning team. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your days. Bye-bye for now. So for my WhatsApp number, for those who are in Telegram, for those who will be interested to join these copy trading services, I'm just going to put my WhatsApp number there. Loses here. Pese panoita live unoda kuti uzive vanhu vazive kuti hadhisi akatorwa ane vanhu apo nobva wanyasomira manje wakabereka kamwana tomana hadhisi uyu atone mukadzi nevana ndikuzviziva ndo zvauri kuitira nobva wamira palive yangu chaizvo. Let me also put the link for our website. Okay. I think for today I'm done. Hey, I'm tired now. For now, manage, I gained 49 followers. Hey. So if I can do this daily, as I'm enjoying TikTok more than Facebook.